Artificial satellites. What is a satellite? A natural body moving in an orbit around a planet is called natural satellite. Earth is a natural orbit of Sun, while Moon is a satellite of the Earth. As of July 2009, 336 bodies are formed, classified as moons, satellite. A satellite is an object which has been placed into orbit by human endeavor. Such objects are sometimes called artificial satellites. On October 4, 1957, the world's first man-made satellite, Sputnik 1, was launched into space by the Russians. Sputnik 1. Sputnik means traveler in Russian language. Satellite launched by the rocket that was called launching vehicle or space shuttle. Now down starts rocket ready to go. When the last stage of rocket completely burned and separation occurs, satellite is set free in the space. Then satellite is delivered into injection Earth orbit and sweeps around the Earth orbit. The control room Earth gathers the information sent by the satellite. Let us see some Space Explorer explained here. After the success of Sputnik 1, the Russians sent another satellite named Sputnik 2, which a dog named Laika, to study the effect of outer space on the living organism. Then America launched their first satellite named Explorer 1 on January 31, 1958. India also successfully launched its first satellite, Aryabhat, in April 1975. Who is an astronaut? A man who travels in the space is called astronaut. On the lunar mission, astronauts Neil Armstrong, Edwin Aldrin, and Michael Collins from the United States went in Apollo 11. Armstrong was the first person to step the moon on July 21, 1969. After him, Edwin. The Michael Collins renamed in the spaceship encircling the moon and to keep in the touch with Earth. After their successful mission to moon, they returned to Earth. On April 12, 1961, Major Yuri Gagarin, a Russian, became the first man to go into space. The first woman to go into space was Valentina Tereshkova, also a Russian. The first Indian to go space was Rakesh Sharma on April 3, 1984. The first Indian origin woman to go into space was Kalpana Chawla in 1997 in Space Shuttle Columbia in 1997 as a mission specialist and primary robotic arm operator. In 1st February 2003, Chawla was one of the 7 crew members killed in the Space Shuttle Columbia disaster. Sunita Williams was the second woman of Indian origin to go into space. She stayed in her spacecraft for 195 days.